here had ended, but someone here wants rebirth as well. Okay, so I don't know if someone here wants to resurrect this relationship from the dead, or connection from the dead, or a situation from the dead right here. But definitely someone here wants new beginning, a fresh start right here. So whether this is you, or this could be someone here connecting with you. Okay? This could be, actually, mix yung energies. This could be brand new love for you guys, or brand new energy coming towards you, or bagong connection na kakarating pa lang sa buhay mo. Pwede rin naman na isa sa person na meron ka ng history with. Could be your past lover right here. So, let's see what's happening here. Okay. I can see that we have here the Chariot. I can see that you want to move forward here. But look at that. See? Diba, nakaupo pa rito, no? Yung dalawang magpapaandar niyang chariot na yan. So, whatever the case may be, this is you. You want to move forward, gumawa ng action in this type of situation about this new beginning, about this rebirth right here, about this fresh start, or about resurrection of this situation, whatever it is. Pero, hindi ka pa makagawa ng movement. See? Kasi meron ditong mga, ayan, no? Chillax pa, no? Yung mga, kumbaga, sa Egypt, no, yan yung parang horse doon, no, kung saan yun yung magpapa-under dito ng chariot. Pero whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that this is, you might be thinking heavily about this. Yan, pinag-iisipan mo itong mabuti. So, okay lang yan. So, it has something to do with the offer of love. Pwedeng offer of love yan ng ex mo na makikipagbalikan sa iyo, or pwede rin naman yung offer of love ng someone new. Pinag-iisipan mong mabuti. Gusto mong gumawa ng action about that, pero nag-iisip ka pa dito. Yeah, you're using your mind right here. See, the Emperor. Okay, this is you. I think you are the one right here that is talagang dapat na mag-decide on this one. So, whatever it is, I'm picking up that this is you, na wala ka pang ginagawa ritong desisyon, pero pinag-iisipan mong mabuti. Kasi ganyan ang Emperor energy. Wala tayong gender, mga baby. So, ganyan ang Emperor. Pinag-iisipan niyang mabuti ang mga gagawin niya, ang mga pinaplano niya bago niya ito isagawa. Kasi ito ang iniiwasan niya, ang heartbreak. Yan. No? So, I think that is you. So, let's see. Kasi I think there's something going on into your love life department area. Yeah. That made you think, diba, na sobrang pinag-iisipan mo talaga siya ng bongga. So, yan. Tignan natin, mangyayari dito. Okay. All right. So definitely you want this commitment, and not just a relationship. Something that is serious, something that is worthy, something that is not gonna make you feel that you're wasting your time. So yeah, definitely I'm seeing that you're serious when it comes to love and relationship, because this is you've already had this kind of failure, yeah, no, when it comes to your romantic relationship with your past lovers right here. Yan, no? At nasan sila? Yun. Wala sila ngayon. So, yun mga babes, no? Yan. Hey there, collective. Thank you so much sa patuloy. Wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel nito. At sa mga new subscribers, hello sa inyong lahat. Ako po siyan. Yan mga may loves, no? Bago natin simulan ang reading na 8 reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. Syempre, patayong gender dito ba, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watcher, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and you can switch roles anytime, okay? So, yun nga, no, nakikita ko dito that we have here the 8 of Wands in reverse, 4 of Coins energy right here. This is you guarding your heart to the point that you're protecting this because you've been wanting to have this seryosong relationship. Ayaw mo na ng laro-laro, ayaw ko na ng playtime dito. Gusto ko yung seryosohan na, yung talagang the one for me, yung same as energy with me, yung talagang hindi ako ipagpapalit, iiwan, at susuportahan ako all the way. Yung gustong-gusto ko talaga, yung deserve ko, lahat ng treatment na ipapakita niya sa akin is yung talagang tunay na pagmamahal. Genuine, unconditional love. Walang hanggan, everlasting, long-lasting it is. So, you want that kind of love. So, this is you, no, na nagkakaroon ng delay because we have here the 8 of Wands in reverse. There's a delay right here because pwede kasing nagdidesisyon ka pa or nag-iisip ka pa. That's what I'm picking up right here for you because this is you. You're giving me this kind of message that you're protecting here yourself 102%. So, ibig sabihin, pinoprotektahan mo rito, no? Kumbaga, parang ayaw mo na yung feeling na masaktan dito, no? And whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this could be, okay, I'm seeing you right here, may mixed messages dito. So, this could be someone new na pwedeng nangliligaw sa'yo, na parang hindi ka pa sigurada right here, yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, picking that up, no? That if it is someone you're right here, this is you na pwedeng nililigawan ka niya, or nagpapahiwatig siya ng emotions and feelings for you, pero hindi pa nga nabibuild yung gano'n na trust. This is you, magsistay ba yan? Hindi ba yan mawawala sa life ko? Ito ba yung partnership na hinahanap ko? Partnership, not just relationship. Commitment, not just relationship. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito that you want partnership, solid commitment, serious commitment. Yan. No? And yun yung parang tinatanong mo with this person right here. Because this is you. You want to start really fresh. You want to start really stable. No? Gusto mo na rito yung parang ibigay sa sarili mo. No? Yung something na nagsistay. Ayaw mo na ng mga bagay na naglalaho at nawawala. Although we know, no, na wala naman talagang permanente sa earth. Pero this is you, minsan ka lang mabuhay sa earth. This is you living the moment, living the life that you want, living that kind of belief na deserve mo rito yung klase ng love na hinahanap mo. So, yan, no, pwedeng you're connecting here with, yeah, we're hearing that song, you know that song. So tell me, will you stay or will you run away? So yeah, bongga. So whatever the case may be, this is you. You could be asking here, maybe not directly that individual that you're dealing with. If that's a new person right here, no? Maybe you're asking right here yourself, yan, no? Ito bang tao na to is meant to stay in my life? Yan, no? So with that kind of lyric, it's powerful, you know, no? So it looks like, will you stay or will you run away? See? This is you confused. Yan yung tanong mo rito eh, no? It's not all about that love. Hindi lang love yun dito. It's not just about the emotions and the feelings. It's about commitment here on the line. Parehas ba kayo ng gusto na magkasama hanggang pagtanda, hanggang sa habang buhay? Wala bang magbabago, may consistency ba dito sa inyong relationship? That is you questioning if this is a new energy right here. And for those people right here, no, na dealing with your ex-person dito, no, na nahihirapan kang mag-decide, ipababalikin mo yan sa buhay mo or muli mo siyang tatanggapin, that is also applicable to that because that is something right here that you are thinking about. So, hindi ka pa makapag-desisyon. Yan, no? Kasi pwede kasi, mga babes, no, kung sino man yung ex mo na yun na bumabalik, no, nasaktan ka na yan minsan, no? At ikaw to, totoo ba tong ino-offer niya sa akin pagmamahal? Seryoso na ba talaga ito? Hindi na ba talaga niya ako iiwan dito? Talaga bang gusto niya na buuhin yung pamilya namin or gusto niya magkaroon ng pamilya sa akin? Ngayon ba, meron na talagang success dito sa relationship namin? Eto na ba talaga yung wish na talagang gusto niyang mangyari. Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya rito na aayusin niya na ngayon yung buhay niya para sa akin at para sa amin? Kung meron man kaming mga anak rito. So, yan. This is you regardless kung may anak kayo with this person or wala. This is your ex coming back right here at hindi ka rito makapag-decide kasi pwedeng nasaktan ka na rin niya before in the past. Yan, no? Is this a burden right here or is this worth fighting for? Is this worth continuing with? Is this worth trying for? So, whether this is a new energy right here or whether this is your ex right here, yeah. Anong meron? Ang daming kanta ngayon. So, whatever the case may be, we're hearing another song right here. I forgot the title, but it's like this. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurt thing from within. Oh, ang bigat. So, whatever the case may be, see, nasaktan ka na nga niyang tao na yan if that is your ex right here, see? Diba? So, whatever the case may be, you've been thinking right here. Kaya you're having this kind of delay. Kasi, this is you, hindi ka makapag-desisyon. Whether that's a new energy right here. Kasi yun yung gusto mo yung magtatagal. Yung talagang long-lasting na. Tas totoo ba yung feelings and emotions niya for you? Nagsasabi ba siya ng totoo? Whether this is a new person or this is someone here coming back around in your life. You cannot decide right now. You cannot decide right now. Ang dami mong questions right here. Okay? And this is you, hindi naman kita nakikita nagmamadali, pero yes, naguguluhan ka. Pero whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito na yun yung mga tanong mo, no? Kagaya ng mga binanggit natin kanina. Is this worth giving a try? Baka mamaya malagay lang ako ulit sa isang sitwasyon rito na maulit lang ulit yung nangyari noon. Yan, no? So whatever the case may be, this is you. Is this gonna work out? Is this something here na talagang gusto niya kagaya ng gusto kong mangyari sa future ko when it comes to love and relationship? Are we on the same page of this person? Is this relationship gonna work out? Is it true? Totoo ba yung pangako niya na yun? Baka mamaya bigla niya akong iwan sa gitna ng relasyon na ito. So whatever the case may be, this is you thinking about this union. Okay? Whether this is a new partnership, you're thinking about this, 3 of Cups energy. Gusto ko ba talaga tong union na to with this new person right here? And if this is your ex right here, gusto ko ba talaga ng reconciliation at rekindle dito ng relationship namin? Is this really what I want? You know what, babes, this is you. Actually, I can see that you're confident right here. Actually, I can see that you are successful right now in your own way. Whether that it has something to do with your work, career, business right here, but this is you trying to balance your emotions and feelings when it comes to love. Sa trabaho, wala kang problema eh. Magaling ka dyan, mahal eh, no? Ginagawa mo dyan yung best mo or nag-effort ka dyan sa work mo na yan. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, this is you. Wala kang problem when it comes to money or sa trabaho mo itself or sa business mo itself. This is you. Go with the flow ka lang with your work, with your career, with your job right here. Dito ka lang talaga parang na-out of balance. Dito sa love and commitment na ito. Yung usapang love na pag-ibig na yan. Pero, wag kang magmadali. Listen to your intuition right here. Kasi nakikita ko dito that you want long-lasting love. And that is what everybody wants as well. Someone that they can rely on, natuto pa rin yung mga pinangako at ipapangako pa. Yung totoo na patutunayan sa'yo at mararamdaman mo rito na talagang minamahal ka niya no, sa kaibuturan ng kanyang puso. Okay? So, this is you. Take your time. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Wala tayo sa race, mga mahal. Okay? Basta continue to love yourself. Continue doing what you're doing. Continue improving and focusing here on your stability. You know what? Answers to all of these questions will pop out, okay, effortlessly. Ganun yun. So, kung naguguluhan ka ngayon, hindi ka maguguluhan forever, mahal. Hindi ka masastuck dyan. Kasi when you focus here on yourself more, lahat ng tanong na yan, no, mapapatunayan yan, mga babes, no. Kahit hindi mo direktang itanong dyan sa ex mo man yan na bumabalik sa'yo or brand new person yan, no. Lahat ng mga sagot sa tanong mo ay kusang lalabas, no. Kasi yan ay kusang ibibigay sa'yo, no? Ipapakita yan nitong kadil mo na ito, no? Nang kahit hindi mo tinatanong ng direkta sa kanya. Okay? The universe will help you on this one, honey. So, you don't need to worry about this. Okay? So, continue right here, taking time. Okay? Hindi naman talaga dapat yan madaliin. Pero nakikita ko rito, mga babes, no? Na tanging ikaw lamang ang makapagsasabi niyan dahil ikaw lamang ang makakaramdam kung sadyang tunay ang ipakikita at ipinakikita sa iyo ng taong ito. Okay? So, thank you so much, Collective. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.